hands straight up, fingers pointing up. Exhale, lower the hands behind the neck. Inhale, push the hands straight up. And exhale, bring it down in front of the chest. Now, hold the knees and come to a squatting position. Step forward. Inhale, lift your hands up above the head. Exhale, lower the hands behind the neck. Inhale, lift your hands up. Exhale, bring it down in front of the chest. Now, as you inhale, push your hands straight out in front of you, pointing in front of you. And as you exhale, bring it back. Step 5, inhale up. Exhale, down behind the neck. Inhale up. Exhale, down in front of the chest. Inhale, push it straight out. Exhale, bring it back. Step 6, inhale up. Exhale, down behind the neck. Inhale up. Exhale, down in front of the chest. Inhale, push the hands straight out in front of you. Exhale, bring it back. Now, for step 7, slowly and gently bring your knees to the ground. Bring your forehead to the ground. Stretch your hands above the head. Continue to keep the palms flat against each other, holding Namaskar. Stay here for some time until your breath settles. And slowly return to the starting position. That is, stand with your feet apart, holding Namaskar.